Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Motorola Razr. For that, you want to go to your settings and go to security and scroll down to SIM card lock. Here you have the option to choose change SIM pin, and now you first of all need to put in your old SIM pin. Okay, and then click on and then choose a new SIM pin. I'm gonna go with 4x0 now. Retype that. You want to be a bit more creative maybe, but changing your SIM pin is pretty useful if you have a really complicated SIM pin, you can't remember it, or your SIM pin got in the wrong hands, I don't know, whatever it is. That's how you can change your SIM pin. And when your phone restarts now, you need to put, and you want to unlock your SIM pin, you gotta put in your new SIM pin now. Maybe write it down somewhere so you don't forget that you've changed it. But that's how you change your SIM pin on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.